In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the font size in TradingView. If you've ever found yourself squinting at your chart, struggling to see the numbers or times, clearly this guide is for you. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step, ensuring that you're able to customize your TradingView experience to suit your personal preferences or the needs of your presentations. First, make sure you're navigating to a chart in TradingView. You can open any chart that you have set up in your layout. This could be one that you frequently use for day-to-day trading or any new chart you want to adjust for better visibility. Once you have your chart in front of you, we're ready to proceed to the settings. Now, on to the settings. You have a couple of ways to get there. You can either right-click directly on the chart's main area, which will bring up a context menu where you can select Settings, or alternatively, you can click the gear icon located in the top menu of the chart. Both methods will open up the settings window where we'll make the necessary adjustments. Once the settings window is open, you'll need to find the Canvas tab. This tab is specifically tailored to adjust the visual aspects of your chart. It's easy to locate, usually just a few options over from the start, and once there, it opens up a variety of customization options for your chart canvas. In the Canvas tab, scroll through or simply look out for a section labeled Scales. This is where the magic happens. The Scales section is crucial because it controls how information like prices and times are displayed on your chart. Finding this section is key to adjusting the visibility of your data. Now on to the most important part, adjusting the font size. In the Scales section, you'll notice a drop-down menu right next to it. This menu gives you the flexibility to change the font size for your price and time axis labels. Click on this drop-down menu and you'll see several options for different font sizes. Choose a font size that best suits your visibility needs, whether you want something larger and clearer or something more compact. Finally, after selecting your preferred font size, you'll want to make sure those changes are applied. Simply close the settings window and you should immediately see your changes reflected on your chart. This adjustment can make a significant difference, especially if you spend a lot of time analyzing charts on TradingView. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've managed to customize the font size in TradingView, enhancing your chart reading experience. Thank you for tuning in, and happy charting.